welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Mommy Jinky's house. This is my first time to go in Tipolo. So this is her house. My God, I love the house. It's so nice.
Thank you.
So thank you for inviting me. And
Sure.
I believe that we're cooking something.
Yeah, because it's your first time coming here, I'll cook something for you. I know you'll love it. It's my own recipe of pasta carbonara, some buttered toast
Oh, wow.
and chicken fingers.
Oh
No
my
soft drinks.
God. Oh my God, I so love it. No soft drinks for me, water lang. And let's go ahead and do some cooking. All right, I'm excited. So we're here. Tell us about the ingredients that we're going to use for your carbonara.
Well, this is very simple. I have, of course, the pasta.
Oh, wow.
And then,
What pasta are we using?
I forgot the name. It's
Ooh.
Don something.
Oh, it's
I like that kind of pasta.
La Buena Pasta Don Valerio.
Yeah.
Wow. Parang masarap to me, huh?
Sarap talaga yan.
Okay,
Then
what
I have
else?
my favorite Tommy's olive oil. That's the doctor said it's good for for cooking. So you use that kind of olive oil.
Ayan.
Then the dairy cream again. Then I have the Nestle all-purpose cream, Carnation Evap, the tuna, sliced mushrooms, the onions and garlic, then grated cheese, and of course the bread.
The bread.
Yes.
Oh. So basically, we're going to we have a video from Mommy on what are the things that we put on the bread, the spreads, and all. So I'm very excited. Let's go ahead and cook. Are you ready, me?
Yeah,
All right.
I am.
So, Mommy, ano yung ginagawa natin?
I'm putting some butter and garlic
Okay.
on a French baguette for, it's like garlic bread or garlic toast, which is good with carbonara.
Okay.
I use dairy cream light spread and some minced garlic.
Okay. So, minced garlic like this?
Like this one,
Okay.
the very few.
Okay. So, we mix it with dairy cream.
Yes.
Okay.
That's
okay.
okay.
All right. Now we are here. And we are, what are we doing, me?
I'm putting butter.
Okay. I'm so excited. And then after we put the butter,
The onions first, because I learned this, I think, from Chris Aquino and Julian Santos, that you put the onions first
oh my God.
before the garlic so that it will burn.
Paging Julian Santos and Chris Aquino. Oh my God. Mommy, this is so delicious and you learn it from the best.
Yes.
Paging Chris. Promote mo naman kami, friend. Kali pala ito sa'yo.
So I would rather use butter
Okay.
instead of the oil because it would give, a different taste. Flavor, I mean.
Yeah, I love butters. I use that whenever I cook my pork chop. Parang masarap. Dinagdagan pa.
Dinagdagan para mas masarap. Diba? So we'll just let the onion go, ano ba yung tawag doon? Parang transparent. Transparent. Can you smell the butter?
Ang sarap. Ang bango.
Yeah.
Ang bango-bango talaga. It's
Parang
so
bulaklak. Parang
Mas
bulaklak.
masarap ka sa bulaklak. Parang yung sarap ba na nagugutom ka.
Yes.
Yan. Yan yung ang bango.
Then we'll add the garlic. Konti na lang siya kasi nilagay natin sa bread. Tinatamad na ako mag-mince ulit.
Pero I think masarap din. Kasi smell ko na. It's all over the house. Oh my God. Nakakaloka. Ano pa pala yung
The way of cooking, which comes first ba? The garlic or the onion? That's why I use butter because I want na hindi masyadong malansa yung tuna.
Then we add
Tuna, this is 1 can of, this is not the spicy tuna, just the regular one. Can you smell it?
oh my God, I'm so excited to taste it. Parang masarap siya, friend.
Ano parang masarap talaga yan.
Oh my God.
Hindi ako lalaki na ganito kung hindi masarap kinakain ko.
Iba talaga yung Ilonggo.
Ay, huwag hindi. Huwag hindi. Namit kami
Namit
magluto. Namit yun.
Namit yun.
And I think I got this from my dad and from my uncle.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my God. Thank God I have an Ilonggo friend. Diba? Paging All Ilonggo, mag-subscribe kayo, comment and like sa YouTube channel ko. Kasi it's full of my Ilonggo friends.
So let's have that, let's have it cooked a little. Then I'll add a little of ground pepper. By the way, I love pepper.
I love
And
it.
I really don't put salt on what I cook, but just pepper.
Good for the health.
Okay, yes. Then let's set that aside in the pan. Let's add a little bit butter for, wala na palang butter, for the mushroom. We're using the light version of the butter, the spread, para medyo healthy konti.
Ang nakakatakam. I hope you're here, YouTubers, subscribers, those who can, who saw our video now. I hope you're here with me para maamoy yung naamoy ko ngayon. Sarap-sarap talaga. As in. So we are preparing the...
I'll just open the... Let's have the mushroom cook a little bit. Parang may flavor siya.
Bango-bango.
Then continue cooking the tuna on the other side.
How I wish you're here with me, guys. You can smell the aroma of, good food. Good food talaga.
Good food.
Yes, this is good food. This is going to be great. I can smell it, and if I'm smelling it right, it means this is gonna be good. This is gonna be food for the gods. Diba? Yeah. Parang pang Italian restaurant. Diba talaga?
Sige na.
Maganda si Mami, oh. Diba si Mami? Ayan, picture natin si Mami.
Ano ba? Okay, let's mix the two.
The tuna, the onions, the garlic, and the mushrooms together with the butter.
And take note, the fire is just, medium heat.
Ooh, okay.
So you see, it didn't burn, the tuna didn't burn. First cook it a little bit more. Then we can put the cream. Okay, it's a little bit dry already. So let's lower the fire and put the cream.
In my YouTuber, lagay na ni Mami yung cream. God, I'm so excited. Ang bango-bango talaga. In person, ha? I hope naamoy niyo dyan. Mga viewers, I hope na naamoy niyo dyan kasi ang sarap-sarap talaga. Iba talaga magluto yung mga Ilonggo friend. You should have a lot of Ilonggo friends. My God, hindi ka magugutom. Walang gutom dito. My God. So
You want a little more cream?
No.
Okay na
I
siya.
think this is good.
Okay. I'll have it simmer a little.
So we're just going to be putting cheese, right? So we'll simmer for about how many minutes?
Like a minute.
A minute. Bango. Konti lang lagyan natin ng garlic, no?
Yes.
But I think it's the butter. The smell of the butter and the onions and the tuna.
Then we'll add a little bit of evaporated milk para hindi siya masyadong dry. And it adds more flavor. Then we'll add the cheese.
The last is the cheese. I love cheese.
Pwede the way, I washed my hands, okay?
Yeah. I'm a living witness to that. Ayan, minimix na yan, friends. Yung cheese sa carbonara natin. I'm so excited to taste it. Are you guys excited to taste it? Sana dito kayo, friend. Sana all makaka-taste dito because this is
And
really
because I love black pepper, I'll add some more.
black pepper.
Yes. Kasi I don't put salt. So instead of salt, add more black pepper for flavor. It's simmering.
This is going to be really, really good, guys. Should be here. Sarap. Gusto ko na kumain.
You have to toast the bread.
Oo. Hi guys! Ito yung finish natin. This is the garlic bread. What you call this, me?
The garlic bread, garlic toast.
Garlic toast. And this is our carbonara, the sauce. Yan. So, ihalo man natin, me.
Okay, we can. Sensya na, walang malaking kutsara.
Ayan. So, we'll be tasting this and we'll be putting this on a separate, content. Mukbang. Kumakain malapang kami ng carbonara. So, parang masarap yun. Gusto ko nung kumain.
Don't need to add cheese or bacon, kaya I don't eat bacon.
Me, this is more than bacon. It's not parang masarap siya. Oh my God. So guys, if you like our content for today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, of
Yes.
course. Suggest. What can you suggest with
What you wanna cook.
totoo. And then see you on our next content, mukbang, carbonara. Thank you guys. You have a wonderful day and I love